All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to touch off this Glock slide. Let's see here. PGZ. Come down. Touch it off in Z. Go to our offset page. Work. It's going to be G54 on this one. Z0. Measure. Went to 0. Z positive. Right now we're going to touch off our X. I've got to hit that back side of the slide just right so I don't hit that radius. I'm actually going to go past just a little bit. Okay. So now we can set our X. Scroll up to our X. X0 measure. All right. Now with Y, we're going to have to touch it off twice. And then divide by 2. We're going to come down far enough to get off that radius again. So Y. Come down, touch. So now we'll go to our Y. Y0 measure. Come back. We need to make sure our Z stays at the same height. That way, if we are on that radius a little bit, it'll still be centered. Okay, so we're at 1.005. So that's 502.5 thousandths. Will put us in center. We're at 502.5. Two, and that was 2.5. So we'll come back a couple because we're 7/10 over, and then we'll call that Y0 measure, and that set our Y to 0. All right, so now we'll come up in our Z. We'll take our probe out. Reset. All right, so now we're touched off. We can go into auto, reset, program. So we have our program loaded. So we should be good to go ahead and start. Turn it down a little bit. Make sure. Make sure our coolant comes on. Okay. So our coolant's on. Go ahead and cut. We're cutting a 16th deep with a 16th step over. Doing that in 2 steps. And we're actually going to thread mill this slide instead of using a tap. This program should take about 5 minutes. We're leaving 10 thou on each wall to clean up at the very end. That'll give us a nice slip fit for the slide. Excuse me, for the sight. And this is an RMR footprint. And we're thread milling 632 screws. We're running this on my 1999 Bridgeport 2216 VMC. So we should be coming up on the finish pass for the radius and for the back end. And after this, we'll be going to the drill. Now we're chamfering the holes in the front of the slide pocket. So now we'll be going in with our thread mill. All right, that's all there is to it.